Okay, so decided to do a mini like jackets from AliExpress haul. And when I say mini, I mean mini because I only had three. Okay, I only had three coats. So we're just gonna get right into it because I feel like nobody on YouTube has done a coat haul. So first of all, we had this teddy coat, you know, when the material looks like that. It's crop style. I got this in a size large because loads of people in the comment section were saying how the sleeves were short, and I have like very long arms, so I needed to get one with longer sleeves. The jacket's okay, like it's okay. I haven't worn it out yet because I just think it's a bit stiff, because I've always wanted them ones off AliExpress, but they cost like 30-40 pounds. Whereas this cost, I forgot to say the price, this cost £12.48. That included shipping. I think shipping was free on this one. The reviews were good. It was like 4.7 out of 5. The only thing I say I don't like about the jacket is this inside part here. It's a bit, you know, it's a bit cheap, like a bit shuku, but I guess you get what you pay for. And also, and I like this. I know this material is going to catch fluff quickly. You can see already of the catch fluff. It's just like I've never had a jacket like this, like this material, this style, or something different. But I think realistically it will not keep you warm because it's quite thin, very thin. It's like the shuku material and fluff, but good price, very cheap. Making boom on, I'm in the stew, this my new grind. I'm cooking up, ain't tryna lose time. I shoot it up, don't give a fuck, ain't tryna lose mine. Gang bang, growing up, I was staying gang. Promise I was only tryna maintain. Little TZSB, that's the gang. Ask about me, but they tell you how my name is. No, this next one was the most like expensive one of it. Maybe I was cheap, but this cost the most. This one was £16 and 1p. I know they had to be extra with that 1p. I'm not gonna lie though, it's very good quality. I'm talking like this is proper denim. Like, this is really good. I don't feel like this is gonna wear or tear. This is raw material right here. I got this in a size medium. And you know, it's got a little bit of distressed design here at the back. The sleeves are a good length, quite long. It comes with, you know, little buttons at the front. Yeah, I got this in size medium, black cotton coat. It costs quite a lot. The original link I had to this, because I'm not gonna lie, these jackets I got them like quite a while ago, so the links were gone. So I was searching high and low to try and find like the same products, because you know some of these websites, I think they're illegal. Yeah, I think they're not legitimate, so they sometimes shut down the shop or they shut down the item, and then they can come back as an alternative link or an alternative product. But I tried to find the products and I did. They don't have as much reviews or sales. You know how you can see how many people had ordered the item? Not as much, because think of it as like an Instagram page that got shut down, had to start again, don't have much followers. But before, when I got these, they had a lot of reviews, and this is good. One thing I'd say that's a bit, the buttons on here are a bit shaky. They're not gonna come out, they're very secure inside, but they're just shaky. Okay, that was the black denim one. I really like this one, this is cute. I've worn this multiple times. You know, it's simple, you can wear a lot of things because it's black, you know. This year I have a deal with Sony, little TTSP, I'm the one and only. And I just came home and everybody knew me. If you want another go, guess you gotta clone me. Quit talking about some loyalty you never show me. Nigga, I don't owe you like... This one, when I tell you this one disappeared off the face of the earth, like the things I have to do to find it. I had to screenshot an image from Pinterest or something, from Google, and then image search on AliExpress to find it again. Because these people like disappeared. This one here is the crop blue denim coat. It cost me, so in total it cost £13 and 26p, but that included shipping because the coat was about like £6 something, and then shipping was like, it was £6.98 for shipping. I wasn't too pleased about that, I'm not gonna lie, because at first I'm thinking, wow, denim coat for £6, whatever, yeah, it's not bad. Then I looked at the shipping and I was like, oh, there's the couch. Also, this is also good quality. I wouldn't say it's as strong as the black one. Like the black one that's some serious denim. Can't believe I got that off AliExpress. But the blue one is also very good quality. One thing about it that's interesting is the back. The back is like got a button to split open. You could button up if you like to make it just a normal coat. I'll insert images of what it looks like closed. But I like to have mine open a little bit, not all the way, just a little bit, because I think that's what makes the jacket, you know, unique. As you can hear, this also has shaky buttons. They don't feel like they're gonna fall off, but they're a bit noisy. Yeah, you could also at the bottom here use these adjustable straps. So I guess it doesn't actually do anything, to be honest, because it's not adjusting anything. It's just there for the sake of design. But in fact, you can't even put the button through it. I'm actually dead. These people.
Oh man, I'm in the stew, this my new grind. I'm cooking up, ain't tryna lose time. I shoot it up, don't give a fuck, ain't tryna lose mine.
That's all the coats. When I said mini haul, I meant it. Like, that's it. That's the whole big coat. Yeah, I'll put the link in the description down below. If I was to rate the coats out of 10, I'd rate the Teddy one a 5. Because honestly, I haven't worn it yet, and I don't think I ever will, because it looks cheap. The black one, I'd rate that honestly a 10 out of 10. A 9 out of 10, because I rate a 9 out of 10 because the buttons are a bit loud. And then on the blue one, I would rate it an 8 out of 10. So that's good, because it's genuinely a nice jacket. The jacket's clearly like, it's got loads of buttons and designs on it, but you can't actually use them all, so that's why I give it an 8 out of 10. So I'm sitting here editing the video now, so here's my outro. I'll leave the links to the coats in the description below. 2 of them are alternative links because, you know, those illegitimate websites shut down and are reopened again. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this video was like useful, informative, as kind. And bye bye.